Hey crochet friends, it's me, Jonah, and I recently discovered the 3D crochet flower stitch. And then I also noticed that I had some t-shirt yarn, or ribbon yarn as it can be called sometimes, in 3 gorgeous colors. And it made a pretty big bag. It's 17 inches long by 18 inches wide. And it's also lined in the middle with this light pastel color that also has a little bit of a sheen to it. And my favorite part about this bag is how simple that stitch is, which I'll show you in just a minute. It uses only double crochet, slip stitch, and chain to make these cool, unique 3D flowers which sit on the top of your bag. So this is what the flower stitch looks like. It has 5 different petals, and it's made completely on top of the work. So if you look from this angle and this angle, it sits on top of the work. And anyway, you start by doing 4 double crochets, and then here's how you do the flower stitch. You start by doing 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And then now it's time to make the flower stitch, but you're gonna work it around these 2 double crochets, kind of working a circle around this way. So you start with a chain 2, and then around the post of this first double crochet, kind of like you're making a front post stitch, you're gonna work 2 double crochets. Okay, and then you're going to chain 2, and then slip stitch around that same post. And then pull everything as far to the side as you can, because you have to fit 5 different petals around these 2 stitches. And you're going to chain 2 again, and repeat that same process. 2 double crochets, chain 2, and a slip stitch around that same post again. And there we have 2 of our 5 petals. So we're gonna turn like this, turn our work upside down, and chain 2 again. And then around this next post, coming from the same direction, you're gonna work 2 more double crochets into that same post. And then you're gonna do a chain 2, pushing everything over to the side so you have space to fit all your stitches. A slip stitch into that same chain. And you're gonna chain 2 again. Work 2 more double crochets. Chain 2 again. And this is our 4th petal here. You're gonna slip stitch into the same spot. Chain 2 one more time. And then work 2 final double crochets around that second post. Then we're going to chain 2 and slip stitch around that post. And then our last step is to chain 1 and then flip your work around so that the right side is facing you. And then behind the flower, flip those petals back and work a double crochet right into that next stitch right here, into the V. You don't skip a stitch, but you do chain 1 beforehand. If I take out my hook after working those double crochets, that's how you work the flower stitch.